Hey gang, Puppy here. As you can tell by the fact you see my knees and my auxiliary workbench, it just looks like a piece of door skin over a laptop keyboard. Okay? This is an Easy Eyes keyboard, model number ZK-520. And it has essentially hit the end of its useful lifespan. So, we're going to look inside. Yes, we are. We're going to do an exploratory laparotomy. Open up its guts and see what's wrong. Come on. There. Yeah, they sure used a lot of screws to put this thing together. People say that Apple glues everything shut so you can't open it without causing major damage so that people won't fix them. I don't have that problem. I detest Apple. I won't have an Apple product. Ever. Steve Jobs could drag his dead ass out of the ground and come here personally ask me if I'd test one of his products. And that would not impress me. No, it would not. To hear a lot of people who would know, who were there, Jobs was a real asshole. Otherwise, why do you think it didn't take a team of horses to drag Wozniak out of there? Remember Wozniak, co-founder of Apple? What we got here? Here's the actual keyboard. Isn't it amazing? This is the guts of your keyboard, most likely. Goodbye. And you got all these little rubber cuppies under these keysy weezies. Might be worth the USB cable. Some of these you really don't want to leave or go in the garbage. That's where you're going. Yes, it is. And you see how these work. The keys push on the little rubber cups, which push against the thin plastic membrane with the printed circuitry. Oh, and then there's this nice flat piece of black styrene. I have a project in mind that this for this. There. Oh, not to forget, past. As in history. That's about 20, 30 thousandths. Just what I want. So, I might cut these out. There's two of them, you see. Just cut the plastic like so. Anyway, that can go there. Oh, that went quicker than I thought. That cheap Chinesium stuff really comes apart easy, don't it? And speaking of Chinesium, this is my old one. This is the one I showed you just the other night, like a couple nights ago. Other than the shape of the case, and this one has an almost rubbery feel to its surface. I don't know how they got this rubbery feel. This one feels like plastic. This sort of feels rubbery, but it cuts like plastic, so I don't know. Works perfectly. Yes, it does. This one controls this computer, and this one controls this one here. So that's that.